Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your notifications not showing up on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if your notifications aren't showing up on your PlayStation 5, let's double check our settings by going to settings right here on the top, and then scroll on down to users and accounts. Now go down to privacy, and then go to the right where it says view and customize your privacy settings. It's like this. Now, scroll on down under this list until we get to communication in multiplayer. Now it says, who can ask to be your friend? Now you can set this to anyone, friends of friends. Just don't set it to no one, otherwise nobody will be able to send you a friend request. Then you can go to who can interact with you through parties, games, and messages. Maybe you picked like a default kind of privacy setting where it was kind of closed off, and it's set to friends only or no one. Now to receive party invites, games invites, or messages, set to anyone, for anyone, even people who aren't your friends, to send you a message. So that may be one reason you're not getting invites from other people, because you're only able to get them from your friends list. So I set that to anyone. Now let's back out of here and go back to the main settings menu. Then scroll on down to notifications and select this. And make sure you have allow pop-ups turned on right here. Otherwise, you won't see your notifications pop up on your screen. So that's allowed. Now let's scroll on down to when friends go online. I have mine set to always show. Now, if you want to hide these during like when you're playing DVDs or Blu-rays, you can do that right here. You can uncheck mark this, and you won't see any kind of notifications pop up for friends when they come online when you're watching movies on your PlayStation. So just look at this. If you're broadcasting or during games, you can uncheck mark this also. And then you can pick which friends to see when they come online. So if I want to see Action 6 when they come online, since I have his name checkmarked, I'll see him come online now. Then you can go to game invitations right below it and do the same thing under here. Now the last thing is to press the PlayStation button, open up the control center, and go to notifications. Make sure you have do not disturb on. If you have this on, you won't see any notifications on your PlayStation 5 until you turn this off or until you log out of your PlayStation 5. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.